Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Cooking and Styling. So, అందరూ ఇంట్లోనే ఉంటున్నారు కదా? This is the time to protect your skin. In this video, I am bringing you a face pack which is used for oily and also for dry skin. In this, we use gram flour, which cleanses your skin and also reduces oily skin. Turmeric, it is an antibacterial and also it is a natural ingredient. It provides natural glow. Yogurt, it moisturizes your skin and reduces wrinkles. Honey, it reduces dark spots and also used for skin lightening and skin brightening. About skin lightening and skin brightening, I am going to tell you in our next video. Now take a bowl and add 2 spoons of gram flour. అంటే మీ ఫేస్ మీ నెక్కి సరిపడా అంత బేసన్ వేసుకోండి. అందులో జస్ట్ అ పించ్ ఆఫ్ టర్మరిక్, ఎక్కువ వేయద్దు. నౌ యాడ్ 2 spoons ఆఫ్ యోగర్ట్. ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ యాడ్ half teaspoon ఆఫ్ హనీ టు ఇట్. మిక్స్ ఇట్ ప్రాపర్లీ టు మేక్ అ థిన్ పేస్ట్. So it's time for applying. Just clean it and wipe it with a towel. Now apply the paste in a clockwise motion, in a circular motion, like shown in the video. So you can use this pack onto your face, neck, hands and also for legs. So apply it in a circular motion as shown. Let it dry for few minutes. So after it dries, it will look like this. Now scrub it in a clockwise direction so that it removes all of your dead skin cells which are there on your skin. So it is also used as a scrub and also a nice exfoliator. So just that's it. After cleaning, it look like this. So this is a face pack for glowing skin. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. We'll meet you in next video. Thank you.